Hey guys, Gareth the Video Tribe here, and in this video I wanted to do an updated review of Convertri, which is a funnel builder that we absolutely love. Now, we've used many different tools out there, from Clickfunnels to Lead Pages and Kartra, but the one that we've stuck with since day one has been Convertri, and this is the one that we tend to use for everything now, including our client accounts, and it's absolutely brilliant. There's many amazing features that make it stand out, but Convertri really is not for everyone. So there's a few important things that you need to know first before you actually make the decision to start testing it and using it in your business. So who is Convertri not for? Well, Convertri is not for anyone that is basically wanting a membership system built into the tool. If you're looking to deliver online courses or content for your coaching clients and you want a locked down membership area that is connected to the funnel builder and will automatically be unlocked, then Convertri is not for you, because Convertri does not have a membership system or content delivery system inside. It is just a pure funnel builder and website builder that has a lot of analytics and is mainly just for funnels. So it's not going to have all the bells and whistles of a membership system inside for content delivery. If you do want to deliver online courses, if you want to perhaps create your own online school, then a tool I would recommend would be LearnWorlds. Now, I will put links in the description below to LearnWorlds and other tools that I'm going to mention where you can get free trials so you can test them out for yourself. Other tools that, if you wanted more purpose-built funnel builders that actually have membership systems built inside, would be Clickfunnels and also Kartra. We've used both of them for many years and they are very good tools. We just don't currently use them anymore. The next one is, do you need auto webinars? Now, if you use automated webinars and you want a funnel building tool with that functionality built in with all the analytics and everything that goes with it, then again, Convertri is probably not going to be for you. It does have a built-in auto webinar system that they built about 2 years ago, but really it's not very good. They haven't updated it. They kind of abandoned it, and it doesn't have the email functionality in terms of automation, and there's virtually zero analytics on the videos themselves. And if you've done any auto webinars, then you know that you need to know what people are watching. Are they watching halfway? Are they making it to the end? You need to understand what people are doing inside the webinar so that you can make changes and improvements to be able to automate and improve, to be able to get your cost per acquisition of customer down. So Convertri is not the best thing for that. I would probably recommend tools like EverWebinar. Again, I'll put links in the description. EverWebinar is a built tool just for automated webinars, and you could potentially use Convertri for the opt-in pages and for your sales pages and taking payments. So it's a good combination there that we have used for clients in the past and also for ourselves as well. But if you do want a tool that has that functionality built inside, then you would need to look towards Kartra and Clickfunnels again. The third point is, do you want an all-in-one tool? Now, perhaps you are just getting started, you don't have an email autoresponder, you don't have a membership system yet, you don't have any of those things set up, then okay, you just want one tool to do everything, like Lord of the Rings, one tool to rule them all, then you're probably going to want something like Clickfunnels or Kartra as well, because they have built-in email systems. They have all the different functionality that we just said was missing from Convertri, because Convertri is not an all-in-one solution. It does not have email automation. It is literally just for web pages, funnels, automation, taking payments, and everything like that, which is a better thing, I think, because it actually just focuses on being the best in that area rather than trying to be good at everything, which often I always complained. It was the main reason I left the likes of Kartra and Clickfunnels in the first place. So who is Kartra for? Well, Kartra is for anyone that is basically doing any type of advertising on social media, both paid or free, which would be pretty much all of us, because they have lightning fast load times on pages. So they have lightning fast pages. And this is something that really is just not really, people don't talk about this quite as much as they should. It's a really important feature that Clickfunnels and Kartra don't really talk about, because they know their pages load a little bit too slowly, and Convertri's pages load in milliseconds. They load in milliseconds, not seconds. And when you're advertising on mobile devices, especially in apps where the app actually opens the browser inside the app, which slows it down by a couple of seconds. So even with Convertri, you're going to have 2 to 3 seconds load time on mobile. But if you could double or triple that if you are opening on the likes of Kartra or Clickfunnels potentially. So that means that you're probably going to be losing about 30% of your audience, because they're going to see the wheel of death and just close the page and not open it. So if I was paying for traffic or putting a lot of effort in social media, creating videos to try and get people to come to my content to check out my website, then really I'd be very, very disappointed if I was losing 30% that I could have saved. I could have got people, especially if I was, say, spending $1 per visitor to my website. That means I'm losing $1 for every $3 that I spend. So lightning fast pages is massively important, especially when you're running any type of online business. It's also for those that want a pure funnel builder. Now, if you don't like the grid-like builders of the likes of ClickFunnels that work within sections and then columns and then elements within those, and it's very rigid framework, you like to be able to move things anywhere, just like a Wix website, or very much drag and drop, then this is where Convertri really comes into its own. You can literally put anything anywhere. And I will show you in just a moment on the computer exactly how that works. But it really does give you full control over where and what your layout looks like on both mobile and desktop. So it's much, much more free-form, fluid builder, which is a massive improvement. And additionally, it's also for people that don't want an all-in-one solution. Obviously, there's a lot of people out there that do want an all-in-one tool, but if you already have an email marketing tool, if you already have an autoresponder or a membership system, then you just want the funnel pages. You just want a funnel builder that can connect to all of those different tools. So you can actually get the best tool for the job and grow with your business. So what I love about that is I can actually just have my pages. I can then add a membership system as I need it for that particular business. Then if I want to do auto webinars, I can go and get the best tool for that. And you will always have the best tools. And to be honest, it doesn't work out. It's not any more expensive. In fact, I found it to be cheaper than using tools like ClickFunnels where you upgrade to get all of those additional benefits. Now let's take a look inside. If we go into Convertri here and we look at the different price points just to see some additional benefits, if you come down, you'll see it's one set price of $75 a month if you pay annually and $99 a month if you pay each and every month. Now, what you come down to, you'll see that they've got 250,000 monthly impressions. That means you can have 250,000 people visiting your website, whereas the lower package inside of ClickFunnels only has 100,000. I see they've removed it from here, but I know it's 100,000. They also have 10 custom domains. ClickFunnels only has 3 custom domains. They have 400 templates. ClickFunnels has lots of templates. You can have 10 team members that you can give access to Convertri with limiting what access they have and things they can actually edit. Where in ClickFunnels, they still are actually adding this feature. They haven't added it yet, but you only get 10 sub-users when you upgrade to their very, very big $2,500 per month package. And if you scroll down, you'll actually see that they haven't added it yet. It's coming soon. So that is already a feature that Convertri has, which will be very useful for other people. They have video hosting. This saved me a load of money. I was paying $20 per month. That's $240 a year for Vimeo. And because I was able to move my sales and videos to my landing pages inside of Convertri, which means they're also compressed and lightning fast. So they're even faster at loading than the likes of Vimeo, YouTube, any types of videos like that, which is great because, again, it's not going to slow down the load time of your page and it's going to play better on mobile devices. So these were great features. You can also have unlimited products. You've got split testing as you would on any other system, SSL certificates, and a page importer, which is a great way for you to be able to import any URL, even websites that you don't own, but don't copy them. You can just bring them in and edit the template to make it work for you, which can save a lot of time on designing. Now, ClickFunnels does not have that option that I'm aware of. So if we go inside Convertri, you can already see a lot of benefits. They really have just been focusing on being the best tool that they can actually be as a funnel builder and page builder. So I wanted to show you inside the builder itself. You've got all the different options down the side here. It's got all the similar options that you would expect in ClickFunnels and Kartra, but this is what I love. I can move this anywhere. There's no restrictions. It can go just about anywhere I want, and I can have full control over what goes where, how, and why, to just really design the website in any way that I want. And I can change that to look completely different on mobile devices as well if I want. So literally it's just drag and drop easy. And that gives you complete control. And then any of these elements, I can change different parts. I can give shadows, change backgrounds, make them clickable, have actions that are triggered. So you have complete control over that web page with lots of automation within all the features on the page itself. And there's many funnel builders out there that have this as well, such as Kartra and Clickfunnels, but really the free flow builder and just the pure automation of the tool is great. So when I close this down, you will see that you've actually also got this builder side here where I can just drag things around to move things, pages that I want to have live. I can republish, unpublish. I can edit pages and save them, where I remember in ClickFunnels, you used to only be able to publish a page. So if you wanted to save what you were doing, you had to publish it, which I always thought was very strange because maybe I don't want to, I'm only halfway through editing it, but I don't want to publish it yet. So if it saved that, maybe they've changed this now, but if I save that, it was going to be published to the page, which wasn't ideal. So you would have to create a variation in the split test and then switch it to that when you were ready, which was a bit strange, I found. So you can have as many pages as you want. You can link them if you want to be able to track analytics through them all. You have the analytics down the side. You have quite advanced split testing features. And then, as I said before, if you go back to your campaigns here, you've got all the different funnels for you to be able to look at, and you can actually search via page, publish pages as well. You've got the auto webinars, which I said wasn't great, and then you've got the videos that you can upload there as well. So those are the key benefits of Convertri and some of the not so good things that are missing as well. So if you feel Convertri is something you would like to check out, again, I'll put links in the description to that and all the other tools that are recommended, and I'll break it down with the different benefits in the description below. If you got value out of that video, please hit the like button, as that helps us reach more people. And if you've got any questions regarding Convertri or any other funnel building tool, then please just ask in the comments and I'll be happy to answer those for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you inside the next training video.